Welcome to Discover Crypto. Today marks the beginning of a new era on this channel. As you know, Ben had been a part of this team and this channel for many years. We recently announced his complete removal and buyout from this company. In his own words,
Bitboy is dead. Bitboy is dead. But Bitboy is dead. There is no Bitboy. There's no Bit Squad. It's over.
There's no doubt his removal will have a dramatic effect on this channel. This decision was not made lightly and had many contributing factors. Up until this point, Ben has shared his version of the story with you.
You're gonna know now, I had an affair. And it went on for a while, but the fact is that I've messed up. I can't make an excuse for an affair. Been taking diet pills, and I've been taking some steroids. I do steroids, guys. Big shocker. I take testosterone, and I take maybe some Dynabol every once in a while. It's not a big deal. And sometimes when you're in business and you're in the heat of the battle, you forget the things that are really important. What's really important are the people that are around you, how you treat them. I threatened to beat the crap out of TJ when I found out he was trying to take everything from me. I threatened him, and I did threaten him. I act a little erratic. You guys, if you've ever seen erratic behavior on my channel, it's because I've been taking those diet pills. I just think at the end of the day, my perspective of what was going on was probably not accurate.
In addition to the things Ben has shared regarding his affair, substance abuse, and aggressive behavior towards employees, I promise you there is much more to this story. We care deeply about the truth, and each and every one of you watching right now. Integrity is one of our core values here, and I do think the truth will come out in time. I don't want to say anything negative about my friend and ex-business partner right now. Please think about how you would feel in my position. I don't want to be here. I loved building this channel and business with Ben. We had a great dynamic and a lot of fun over the years. This hurts all of us.
Anybody that supports Vimeo going forward, you can forget it. That thing's gonna be dead on arrival, no question about it. That thing's never gonna take off. Vimeo's gonna do amazing. Vimeo is gonna be the NFT platform I told you guys in the beginning. But when Vimeo comes out, you're not gonna see an NFT platform that's gonna be able to touch it. There's not gonna be a better platform than Vimeo. Look at Hit Network. What is Hit Network? It's a bunch of garbage. That's what it is. And I can tell you guys that Hit Network is dead. Hit Network is gonna be dead going forward. All of those shows are gonna be gone. 100%. All of our brands that we have are amazing.
It hurts his family on many different levels. It hurts me, it hurts our employees, and ultimately it hurts all of you. It just sucks. Unfortunately, Ben crossed several lines and forced me into a position with no alternatives. I had to take action to protect the team at Hit Network and the company. It became clear there was only one path forward. What I will say is every person here at Hit Network cares for Ben, his wife Bethany, their 3 children, and his entire family. We want to see them happy and healthy. This has been a very painful and stressful time for us here at Hit Network. None of us wanted to get the rug pulled out from under us like this. I also wanted to address some of the recent statements Ben has made regarding the environment here at Hit Network and say those statements are unequivocally false.
You're told that if you reach out to clarify and to try to get clarification on what has happened, that you're fired.
There have been no threats towards employees regarding communications with Ben. In fact, I encouraged many of our team members to reach out to Ben as a friend because we do care about him as a person.
I have family members that are in that spot over there right now. I have brothers that work for me.
This is my brother. And so like the CEO of the company has been very respectful and has like kept a lot of stuff under wraps. And I'm going to continue to do that until it all becomes public knowledge out of respect for our CEO, because he has been extremely kind to me and has reached out to me and like is helping me the best that he can. I still have a job, and he's just been an absolutely wonderful person throughout this entire process.
Everyone standing here is here on their own accord. We are a family here at Hit Network. We work hard, we love crypto, and we stand together. Join us today as we embark on a new journey to discover crypto together. We're gonna learn a lot and change a lot as we grow. We'll discover new coins, we'll discover new creators, and new ways to achieve financial freedom through crypto. We love you all, and we're excited to start this new chapter. We know it's not gonna be easy, and we'll need all the support we can get from you. Hit that like button if you're with us, and we'll see you at the top.